In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off story reply option on Facebook, okay? Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Facebook application, okay? Then we refresh the app, and kindly remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake, okay? Click on your profile picture. Then you want to click on the gear icon for settings, this one here on the far right at the top, okay? Just click on it. Then scroll down, just scroll down until you see this space for stories, okay? Click on it. Then you want to click on this space for messaging options. And please, if you find this video helpful, please remember to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, okay? Click on the arrow there. Then here you can see allow followers to reply to your stories. By toggling this one here, you will allow the followers to reply to your stories, okay? But if you toggle it off, they will not be able to reply to your stories, okay? Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.